You can purchase window inserts that create a dual pane effect. These inserts are removable, lightweight, and easy to install. You don't have to get inserts for all the windows in the apartment, only the ones facing the noise source that you'd like to block out. And best of all, you don't need the landlord to approve them or even be involved. It may still be worth having the conversation anyway, since the inserts are specific to the windows in that apartment. The landlord may be convinced it's in their interest to cover part of the cost.